Stop doing these exercises. Instead, do them this way. Hi, I'm Disciplined Dave, where I put the technique in your physique. Today, we're gonna go over certain exercises that I did in previous old videos, and I've learned a lot. So with learning, you learn new techniques. You learn some things may not have been the proper way to do it for the most muscle development. So we're gonna go over these old videos of exercises that I do not recommend doing anymore. And also we're gonna go over the modified version so you can make sure you get a great workout with these exercises. Now, before we get started, I just wanna mention we're very close to 25,000 subscribers on the channel, and I plan to do a massive giveaway of resistance bands and other prizes. This is just a thank you for all of you who have been supporting me throughout this channel history, throughout the years. I just love you so much for supporting the channel, and I just want to give back. So that's right, as soon as we hit 25,000 subscribers, that giveaway is going to be happening. So if you're watching this video right now and you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe right now, because you could be winning a free set of bands or some other fitness prizes. All right, let's get to what we're here for. What exercises is Disciplined Dave talking about that he did wrong? I can admit when I'm wrong. You know, over time, I just learned some more information, so I just want to make sure that you have the most accurate information and the most up-to-date. Now, these are going to be exercise videos that I did a long time ago. That's why it's very important that you watch the most updated videos, because as my knowledge increases, I spread that message on to you. So make sure you hit that notification bell for a new video every week so you can understand what new exercises and what new techniques have I learned to make sure you get the best fitness with resistance bands. Now let's dive into these videos and see what we need to correct. Okay. So the first one that we need to correct here is going to be this video right here. The chest workout with resistance bands. It's a very popular video.
Hi, are you interested in owning a successful
all right, let's
gym? If so,
let's get over these commercials here. All right, so we're just gonna span through here, and the one here, this is gonna be the incline fly here. Now, you can actually notice in the thumbnail in the beginning, you take a look, this is the first problem. So if you take a look, I'm going to pause it right here. So you see right here, this is an incline chest fly. The problem with this chest, can you guess it? It's going to be the angle. So you see I have my door stopper here at the bottom. Let's go ahead and let's turn this volume down. So I have the door stopper right here at the bottom, and I'm trying to work out my upper chest. But the problem is when you have it, when you're upright like that, what you see here, this is more of a shoulder workout than it is getting to your chest. All right, looks good, but this is actually a shoulder workout more so than your chest. So what you want to do is you want to go to the most recent video, and that's going to be the ultimate chest workout. And let's see, where is that one at? Very recent here. All right, so this is the ultimate chest workout. So we're going to go through, and I'm going to show you the correct way. And you see, I got these chapters on here so you can just jump to it. So here's the incline fly, all right? So we see right here, we're going to back it up a little bit because I want you to see the major difference. Now, you notice where the door stopper is right here, okay? Right below the doorknob. And this is going to put you in the right angle to really hit that chest. So when you see me go ahead and go forward, there's that contraction we want. There we go. Just like that. So you want to make sure that you go ahead and put that door stopper in kind of like the lower mid level to really get that angle. It's still a great exercise, but you want to make sure you do it properly. And that's what I learned through here. And I also learned through your comments there. So I'm not too big to take any advice from anybody else. So if there's someone out there who sees something, he's like, you know what, I don't think it's, you know, the right way to do it. Just go ahead and leave a comment. You know, it's no shame in that. You know, I don't know everything, but I know a lot of information that I try to pass on to people here. So this is a great way that we can go ahead and correct something in the past and make it better. All right, let's go on to the next one. So the next one that I have here is going to be an extremely popular video. It's going to be the, hold on, let's see here. Let's go back. All right, to We're going to sort by most popular, and it's going to be the resistance band calf workout. All right. So if you see that video here, it's still a great video, but there's one exercise that I'm just like, you know what? Let's not do that one again. So it's going to be the reverse seated calf press. Okay, as you see here, this is a setup for it. How I have the door stopper here. I have it on my toes right there, actually kind of on the mid portion of the foot. And as you see, as I'm flexing up here, this is supposed to be a calf workout, okay? And what's happening is that it's not really working the calves. You take a look here. So right here, when I'm flexing up, it kind of works this muscle right here in front of the leg, but it's doing nothing for the calves, all right? It really isn't, and this is labeled a calf workout. I would incorporate this in legs, but I wouldn't use this as actually to build your calves. So I would just eliminate doing that exercise, period. But we have a solution for it where it's going to work out your calves and that front muscle part of your leg. So we're going to go back here, and now we're going to sort by most recent. As you notice, the most recent ones have the best information, so make sure you're watching the most updated videos. All right, and here we go. Commercial here, commercial, bam, let's skip that. All right, and we're gonna go forward, and we're gonna go to the elevated calf raises, okay? This is going to be a great way that we can go ahead and correct that. So as you see here, and I'm on a book, or you can use some type of block, anything that's going to give you an elevated here. And this is going to help us contract the calf muscles right here. You see there's a great, good calf flex. It's actually the thumbnail in the video here. And it's also going to get that front portion of our leg here when we're coming down. So that's a great way to modify that to make sure that you get a great workout with your calves. All right, so we're gonna move on to the next one. And before we do, this is actually one of the most important things, is that you go ahead and hit that like button. If you like it here, if you like seeing the correct way and the technique, if you hit that like button, I would greatly appreciate it. Put a lot of work in making these videos. All right, so let's go ahead and move on. So this other one that I wanna mention here is, let's see, this is going to be a tricep workout that I did in the past. So we're going to go to the most popular one, and it's the tricep band workout, okay? Another very popular video. This is what the thumbnail looks like. So we click there, all right? And we're going to span forward here, and we're going to take a look. This is actually a really great exercise, but it just needs to be done properly. So if you take a look here, look at this. We're going to pause it right here, all right? So take a look. So as you see how my arm is straight here? That's the part that isn't right for the tricep. It's actually a great exercise, but when your arms are straight and I'm coming down, the problem is that it's going to work out our lats right here more so than our tricep, okay? So as you see, I'm going to go ahead and go to the movement, and I have my arms straight. It's not a bad exercise. It's just not a tricep exercise. So that's the issue that we have with that one. So how do we fix that? Well, you've already seen these other ones. You know the solution is you go to the most recent one. So I'm going to go here to newest ones. All right. And we're going to go to, where is it? See this one here? It says bigger triceps. Oh man, I like that photo. All right, so now we're gonna span through here and we're gonna look for, okay, here we go. This is what we want. So we're gonna pause it. All right, so as you see, this is how we modify it. We're beginning with our arms bent. That is what the little minor tweak that's gonna make it so that it focuses on the triceps instead of the lats. So this one, you wanna begin in a bent position, and that's really gonna hit those triceps. So we take a look here. As you see, I'm coming back to a bent position and I'm coming down. I don't want to keep my arms straight on this one here. So that way it puts you in the perfect position to really contract those triceps. That's what we want. All right. So these are the exercises that I highly recommend that you just completely abandon and you go ahead and watch the new video so you know the proper way to do it. So I've got a couple of videos up here, so just go ahead and check those out next so you can make sure that you can correct those mistakes. As I said before, leave a comment if there's anything else you have a question for. I'm Disciplined Dave, where I put the technique in your physique, and so thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.